Now that I've run the network tool one time, I'm going to go ahead and make a change. So for example, what I'd like to do is change the main road, and as far as the start and ending station, for example. So I'm going to highlight the main road, and you'll notice along the sides we have the normal dialog table icons for adding, modifying, deleting, and so forth, moving up and down the list. In order to change an entry, I need to switch over to Edit List Entry. So I've highlighted the main, switch over to Edit List Entry, and you can see some of the things that get grayed out. For example, I can get a new preference file if I need one. I can push a new composite section if I need to. And I can sit here and limit the station range. So for example, I'll just come in here and we'll shorten it up. Let's stay to station 0 plus 50. And we'll end it at station 16 even. And once you make that change, you click modify, and that will change that list entry. So at this point you need to rerun the tool, or you can go ahead and choose a new section if you need to. And of course modify. You can remove items from the list if you need to. So we're going to go ahead and reprocess it, and it will recompute the entire network, or every street in the dialog, and it will rerun that section. So you can see that it has indeed shortened the site element. Might not be the best choice of comp sections that I chose, but nonetheless it's made the change. Now I'm going to go ahead and set it back to the beginning and the end, and I'll reselect the first comp section, modify that, and process the network. So all roads are recomputed since they're all blue in the list there. They're all activated. All profiles, all comp sections are re-pushed down every object. So objects are deleted and recreated, essentially. So that kind of goes over the kind of the basics of the Roadway Network tool. As far as adding things to the dialog and processing the dialog, you can, if you need to move things up and down, you can. If you need to delete items, you can. And of course, recall your preference file, and we'll come back in. So at this point, we'll move into some of the other individual tools in the next ABI. And those would include the roadway tool, the roadway curb return tool, cul-de-sac tool, and then of course the preferences as well.